Welcome to TechInvo, a company that's shaping the future. As one of the fastest growing, purpose-driven product development and services firms, we empower businesses to overcome complex challenges and prepare for a better tomorrow. We are experts in SAP BTP extensions development, prepackaged integrations development using SAP Integration Suite, implementation of SAP SuccessFactors HCM, SAP S/4HANA, SAP DataSphere, and SAP WorkZone. In today's ever-evolving business landscape, organizations face a growing challenge: how to provide pensioners and alumni employees with secure access to view and update their personal and payment details within SAP SuccessFactors HCM. Currently, this capability isn't available out of the box. That's where TechInvo steps in. Our innovative pensioner and alumni employee data management SAP BTP extension solution is here to bridge the gap. The SAP BTP extensions integrate seamlessly into SAP WorkZone, offering an intuitive interface for users to manage their information independently. Here's what our solution can do. Users can easily view personal details, including person ID, name, gender, nationality, and marital status. Addresses, whether billing, home, or shipping, can be maintained with just a few clicks. Updating email addresses and their types is straightforward. Users can keep their contact details up to date effortlessly. And for financial peace of mind, they can securely manage payment information such as account numbers, bank details, and IBAN. Partners and alumni employees gain instant access to their data in SAP SuccessFactors HCM. Our solution is built on a secure, end-to-end Fiori application framework, ensuring data privacy and compliance. With deployment in SAP Build WorkZone, the application surfaces critical data from SAP SuccessFactors seamlessly, creating a unified user experience. The pensioner and alumni employee data management SAP BTP extension solution is easily extendable to support additional SAP SuccessFactors portlets and quick, easy deployment. At TechInvo, we believe in building solutions that connect people, simplify processes, drive meaningful results, and solve complex problems. With the pensioner and alumni employee data management extension, we are not just solving challenges, we are paving the way for a future where everyone stays connected. Let's create the future together. Let's build it with TechInvo.